today it's Halloween season, it's Halloween week, and by the title and thumbnail, you can see that I'm creating a high fashion Beetlejuice costume. It's only right, the remake came out this year, and I'm so excited to create this. I've been wanting to create this for weeks, but I was busy working on my dream fall wardrobe, so if you haven't checked that video out already, make sure you go check that out. So now we're here. I wanted to finish this in one day, but I'm a mom and it spilled into the next day, so it took about a day and a half. This is a fun project. We're going to be cutting princess scenes. Instead of buying a striped fabric already, like something like this, I created basically a princess line dress and created my own stripes with it. I had a bunch of yards of chiffon and knit on hand, so I wanted to utilize that and create this look. I am using a pattern that I drafted myself. I will be linking below a pattern that you can use that hopefully most likely will be for free to help you guide in making this design. And so I really lucked out with finding this. This is an official Beetlejuice suit. I found this at the thrift store for $12.99. It'd be cool that I found this so I could wear this for the intro. The tie looks so silly. But anyways, let's get into the project. My princess line pattern has a cutout on the side, so I'm going to extend it on each side to create a full-length pattern. All of these pattern pieces were cut on one layer of fabric, that way we could create that black and white stripe look. I cut 3 pieces of the skirt front and just extended it to the length that I wanted the front and the back. I did the same for the white fabric. I just placed the black fabric on top to use it as my guide to cut it the same length. I straightened the unevenness of the bottom of this fabric later on in the process. I didn't show it, I just cut it straight. After stitching all the pieces together, I serged all the raw edges. Chiffon is very annoying to sew, so pinning the pieces together really helped with keeping it sturdy on the machine. I was checking how the skirt looks so far. I had 4 panels here and I ended up adding 2 more, so there's 6 total panels in the front and 6 in the back. I made the front lining and front skirt one piece, so I sewed them together and then attached the pockets to the side. After my pockets were complete, I sewed the side backs to the side front skirt and then attached the bodice to the skirt. The invisible zipper is in and it looks so good. I added this top lining to give it a clean finish on the inside and hide the zipper. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate everyone who has subscribed already, and I appreciate all the love and support. Comment down below, let me know what are some things you want to learn so I can complete that tutorial for you. Now on to the reveal of this dress, you guys.